In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change grid lines on Wix. Now, you might be thinking, is it really possible to change those grid lines? Well, the short answer is no. You can't directly change the default grid lines that Wix provides. But don't worry. There are some nifty workarounds that will let you hide those original grid lines and create your own personalized version. Let's dive deeper into why these initial grid lines are there in the first place. Wix's default grid lines are essentially guidelines and recommendations to help keep your content structured and visually appealing. However, if you have a specific vision for your design, they might not always align with what you want. So what do we do about that? First, we'll start by hiding those unneeded default grid lines. To do this, direct your attention to the top right corner of the editor screen where you'll find the Tools option. Click on Tools, which will trigger a drop-down menu. Here, you'll see an option labelled Gridlines. By simply unchecking this box, those default grid lines will magically disappear from view, making your canvas a bit of a clean slate. With the default grid lines out of the way, you're probably wondering how you can set up alternatives that fit your design expectations. The next move is to create your own grid lines. For this, you'll head back to the Tools menu we visited earlier, but this time look for the Ruler option. Check this box and you'll notice rulers appear at the top and side of your canvas. These rulers are a powerful tool for setting up custom grid lines. To create your own, simply click on either the top or side ruler and drag it onto your workspace. As you drag, a line will appear, and this acts as your very own personalized grid line. You can set these lines horizontally, vertically, or in any configuration you see fit, giving you the freedom to tailor your design layout precisely to your needs. If, during your design journey, you decide that any of these custom grid lines need to be adjusted or removed, there's an easy solution. To delete one, all you need to do is right-click on the specific line or on the ruler itself and select Delete from the options that pop up. And voila! It's gone, seamlessly keeping your workspace uncluttered. Through these custom setups, you not only declutter your design space, but also bring your unique design aspirations to life easily. Remember, the goal here is flexibility and control over your creations. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering the grid lines in Wix.